friends. See what I got. This is a gift from Kalyani Vallath ma'am. Straight from Trivandrum, Kerala. I got this gift as a reward for working hard. However, she worked more harder than us, and I simply followed her. Let's unwrap it. See? I didn't realize the logo. That's her logo, Vallath logo. Here, V. This is asterisk, right? Not sure. That is her. This is her logo. There's a literary timeline. Everything is here. And here, 1st January. Who was born? Maria Edgeworth, and she was Anglo-Irish. She was a novelist, and she was pretty famous for her children's literature. So her major works are Castle, Rent, Belinda,